Hi friends, welcome back to Jumpstart and welcome back to Let's Find Out About It with Miss Sri. So today we're going to be talking about the book Max's Dragon Shirt. Alright friends, so in this picture, what can you guys see? Can anyone tell me? That's right, Max and Ruby seem to be going home, right? After going to the mall to get Max new clothes, and he finally got to have his dragon shirt. But can anyone tell me if they know whether it's daytime in this picture or is it nighttime? Can anyone tell me? You're right, it is daytime. And we know this because we can see that in this picture there's a bright blue sky, kind of like Miss Sri's nails, and kind of like whenever it's bright outside, you obviously see the bright blue sky, right? And you also see the light shining down upon Max and Ruby. So friends, we know that when it's daytime outside, you know that there's so much light. But when it's dark outside, it's really dark, right? So you can't really see anything. And in this picture, you can see everything really clearly. You can see Max and Ruby going home. You can see the trees. You can see the blue sky. You can see the light. You can see everything around them. So that's how we know it's daytime. All right, friends, going back to this picture right here. So we said that it was daytime, right? So we can tell that it's daytime because we can see the blue sky and it's light outside. But I know that some of you might be thinking, well, we don't see the sun in this picture, so how can we be sure that it's daytime, right? Well, even if we don't see the sun in this picture, we still see the sunlight, and we also see the bright blue sky, and we see the sun is shining. So when the sun is shining, that means that it's giving off light, right? So when it's light outside, we feel the heat on our skin, and we also see everything around us. So sometimes in the summer when it's really hot, you know, when you go outside and you feel the heat on your skin and your skin feels really hot, that means it's light outside, right? Because the sun is shining so hard. And also, you also know it's light outside when you can see everything around you. Like in this picture right here, we can see Max and Ruby going home, we can see the bright blue sky, and we can see all the stuff surrounding them. So we see the trees, we see the road, we see all of that stuff. But if it was nighttime, then we wouldn't necessarily be able to see everything because it's so dark and the sun isn't going to be shining anymore. Alright friends, so we talked a lot about how we can tell if it's daytime outside, right? So when it's light and sunny outside, that means it's daytime. You guys might be wondering, what do we do when it's daytime? Well, let's go see what activities we can do. We can play outside in the daytime with our friends and family when it's nice out. We can also take a nice, cool swim outside. And we can also walk our pets when the weather is really nice. Alright friends, so we went over all the daytime activities you can do, and there's so many, right? Well, you guys might be wondering, what do we do when the sun is no longer shining and if it's dark outside? Well, actually, there's so many activities you can still do. And Miss Sri is going to go over some of our daily nighttime activities that we'd probably do at home. So one is putting our pajamas on to get ready to go to bed. 2 is going to bed, right? Everyone has to go to sleep at night to make sure that you're well rested for the day. And 3, since you see all the stars at night, you can go stargazing. Alright friends, so now that we learned a little bit about the activities we do when it's daytime versus nighttime, we're actually going to move on to learning about how the movement of the Earth is what makes it day versus night. So the Earth is the planet that we live on, and it circles around the sun. So I have this ball right here, and I have a flashlight. And we're going to pretend that this ball is going to be the Earth, okay? And then this flashlight we're going to pretend is the sun. So this flashlight is going to shine light upon the sun, okay? And the Earth is turning, turning, and turning. So, friends, you can see that the sun or the flashlight is shining on a specific part of the ball, right? So if we think that this flashlight is going to be the sun and then this ball is going to be the Earth, when the sun shines light on a specific part of the Earth, that's what makes it daytime. However, when the sun doesn't shine a specific part of its light on the earth, like this side of the earth, that means that it's nighttime there. So we live on the continent of North America, right? So if we pretend that this side where the sun is shining on is North America, that means that it's going to be daytime in North America. But on this side, you can think of it as Asia, which has a 9-hour time difference. For example, if you're talking about India, right? So India is in the continent of Asia. And since the sun isn't shining in the continent of Asia right here, that means that it's going to be nighttime there. Right, friends, so we have been talking about the sun for so long, right? So I'm actually going to show you a close-up picture of what the sun actually looks like. It's right here. And actually, the sun gives us the heat and light that we need to survive and live every day. But it can also burn and hurt your skin if you play outside on a sunny day or if you're outside for too long, right? Miss Reese definitely had some sunburns before, and the sun has definitely hurt my eyes before. But that's okay because you can wear sunglasses in order to protect your eyes from the sun's rays and help them not be hurt. And you can also wear something called sunscreen, which helps protect your skin from being burned. So you put all the sunscreen on your face and the rest of your body in order to protect your skin from being burned. And also, you can protect yourself from the sun by not getting burned by playing in the shade where the sun doesn't shine. Or you can wear sunscreen, like I mentioned before, or you can even wear hats so the sun doesn't shine too much on your face or your skin. Alright friends, I hope that you guys all had fun today. So now let's go see what we're going to be learning about in summertime.